Hello Fat Puppets! Welcome back to my channel. So today, you've seen the thumbnail, we're going to do a part 2 on the magical typewriter. It is literally a low budget game, but it's funny. And I had a laugh, and I did have a bit of fun playing it. We're going to have another go at it though. And if I really can't do it, and it really doesn't, if it's really that bad, there won't be another one. But we're going to try it again, because there was a bit where I needed a key. Did I get in that building to get... No, wait, did I find the key? I can't remember, so we're going to have to load into the game and have a look. So if you want to see this absolutely amazing game, then keep on watching. And if this is the first time you're seeing this face, hello and welcome to my channel. If you love anything to do with Harry Potter or magic, then this is the place for you. Join the magic and mayhem, hit subscribe, because I told you to. And also a massive thank you to my channel members, because you guys are amazing. Anyway, let's get this set up. Right, we're loading in. We're loading in. We're loading in, so we need to continue the game. Teleport to the... No, continue game. Let's continue where we left off. Not that I can remember where we left off, but this is where we are. Now, I can remember that the walking's alright, but the controls are really, you know, like to move the screen, it's really delicate. So this, I can remember this room, it's like a Gryffindor room. We'll open this door. I think, oh, it's so sensitive. Right, we're just gonna, oh, I nearly climbed on the anvil. I think it's an anvil. Oh, right. I've picked up a potion, an orange potion found. I have found potions before. We're going to try and see if we can find a new part. Don't know if I will. But I remember these spells. Yep. I remember them well. Okay, let's move. Oh, there's another potion here. Yoink, I'll take it. I don't know where we're going. I remember this opening up, but I need to unlock something, and I think it wanted you to spend money. Which isn't on. We've got a blue potion here. I can't remember. I am so slow. Oh, you can run. Oh, that's really fast. I forgot you could run. Blue potion found. Let's open this door. Okay. Oh, we are working on new game. No, not at the minute. Now, this is something I could try, these other games, because I can remember them shouting all these other games out before. What's this again? I think I've read this before. The Barrel Town. You need to drink a shrinking potion. Right. Can we do that? What do we have? Food and potions. We've got... No. We need to make a shrinking potion. How do we make a shrinking potion? I don't think it tells us yet. So we need to prepare the potion of cat form. You need to prepare the potion of cat form from in a cauldron. Find one. Didn't I do that last time? I can't remember. Let me have a look. It's raining. Right, so owl food. Well, I know where we need to go for owl food, but it's if I can remember the way to it. So bear with me while we find... It's a magical tree. Can you remember? Run. Oof. Oh my days, it's so sensitive. Right, we need to... Oh, somebody's here. Oh, it is raining hard. Hello. King Phoenix, I like your name. You say hi. Oh, I don't greet. Oh, hi King Phoenix. Hi. Are you going to speak? If you can hear the rain, I'm sorry. No, you're not going to speak to me, you're rude. Well, I need to come this way. You're going to think I'm following you now, and I'm not, I promise. I'll go through this door just so I don't look too dodgy. Open door. Now this thing is so sensitive. Right. Oh! Magical tree. Here we go. Right. Oh. Right. Oh, I jumped off that banister then. Absolute stealth. Right, magical tree. Every 5 minutes. Collect. Have we got some? Oh, I have a lot of owl food. Okay, so I haven't played obviously this for quite a while. I haven't played this without you guys. I wouldn't do that. So it literally saves owl food. I have got 18,167 owl food. I've definitely got enough to make. Wait a minute. Recipe for the cat form potion. Yeah, I want to know that. Right, we need to go find a cauldron. Now, if I remember rightly, let's go back this way. I'll find it, don't you worry. She says. No. Hang on. Bedroom, tower, dormitories. Right, let's go in the tower and get that potion on the way. Right, what have we got here? Map of the castle. 800 coins. Watch a video for 400 coins. Okay. Okay, so I need another 400 coins. Right, so we have got our 800 coins. Let's buy the map. Congratulations, you got the map of the castle. You open the map from your inventory. Right, are we going to get somewhere with this now? So let's go in here. Is this the map? This is the... Wow. Oh, it even tells you King Phoenix is still here, my mate that never said hello to me. So we've got a map now. We've got the dining hall, the great hall, the lobby, kitchen, forge. Okay, oh, we can zoom in. So I'm there where the cross is at living books. Okay, so can we do it so that we're able to tavern in the sky? I've been there. Can you remember from the last episode? It was quite cool up there. Have we been everywhere? Sure, no, we haven't because, wow, what is this? I'm assuming the ones that aren't named is where I haven't been. So if I go left, is this going to be a new room? Should we try it? Right, let's try it. Let's have a look. It's really raining, guys. Really raining. Right, can you move? Because I can't see. There we go. Let's climb these stairs. Do you know, Mum and Dad are on holiday and they went Friday. Today is Monday. I didn't have to water the garden Friday, Saturday or Sunday, and I'm not going to have to do it today. So this is a pretty easy job. I do keep going round to look after the house though. How long are these stairs? I hope no one's out in this. Have I been here? No, I don't believe I have. There is another blue potion. I'll take it. I mean, it's there. So we've got a harp in here. This is like a harp room. And we've got some bookcases. And this is the library. Let's go on the map again. Let's have a look. Ah, yes, you see, look. It's now saying Castle Tower. So if we go back and go forward, oh guys, right, we are looking around the whole of this castle today. I am excited, very excited. Right, so we need to come out and back down the stairs and then we need to go straight on. My bearings are rubbish, so you might see me click on the map quite a lot, but I do have really bad bearings. Where am I? Oh, right, so we need to go down the stairs. I'm trying to get down as quick as I can and it's not working. Oh, stop, you're so sensitive. God, it's really raining. I ain't got to water any plants, so, oh my days. Right, we've made it to the bottom, so I need to be going through this door here then. Open door. Right, and then, hang on, let me go back on the map because I'm lost already. So we are in here, we should be in the corridor opposite the living books. So if I turn left when I get to the bottom, oh my days. So we need to go this way. We're finding quite a few potions, which is brilliant. So where am I now? Hello! Unknown, what a lovely name. Right, let's try going through here. Oh, discovered the portal. Portal? Explorers of the... A sealed dungeon, guys. Are we going to go play in a dungeon? Oh, well, first things first, I do think we should go explore the castle and then we'll come back to this. Now, what is this called? Inventory. Go onto the map again. So we are in the portal room. Right, so we need to come back straight through the dining hall and then turn left on ourselves because there's a room above the dining hall that we haven't been in there. So we're going to do that and then we're going to explore this side, see what there is, and then I think we're going to go in the portal, guys. We're going to give it a go. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but you'll love it, alright? Because this game is absolutely amazing. Right, so let me come out the portal room and go straight down. Okay. We'll be back. Wow, that rain. Okay, so we need to go straight back up here. And straight on. And this is the dining hall. Right, I'm just going to have to look at the map again, guys. Right, so I go straight ahead. Oh my days, I don't know where I am. Let's have a look. It is straight. Why has it took me back here? It's alright, you just mess about with me. Was it you? Did you make me? You're another unknown. Right, so let's go this way. And then down here. And I think through here. Let me check my map. Yep, so I need to go straight on now. This is a nice room. I like it. It's very nice. Opens the door. I definitely discovered castle corridors. Right, let's have a look round here. This looks so nice. Oh, it's a dead end that way. So I'm assuming that this way will also be a dead end. Yes. What is that at the bottom? Is it just a candle? We're just checking these things out. It is, but why? Why is there just a single candle there? That is a mystery. And then we've got more candles there. Right, we're going to go up the stairs. Do you know, it's either too slow or too fast. I can't... What is that? What are you? Are you okay? I don't understand. You'll be fine. So, wow, okay. Right, let me check the map. Okay, double tap to zoom in. I'm trying. I am trying my very hardest. It's not letting me zoom in. There we go. So we're here. So if I go down the stairs, we're going to end up in another room. Should we descend the stairs? I think we should. Let's have a look. Why has he put me back there? Do you know what? Actually, I'm going to go this way first. I'm going to go this way first. I'm just checking, making sure there's no potions lying around. What's this? Oh my days. What? Hold down to see scrolls. Scrolls are marked in red. What? Where am I? I don't know what I've done, but I need to find 4 scrolls. It does say quit, but I'm not a quitter. I need to find these scrolls. What on earth is this? It kind of looks like the back rooms. Not gonna lie, we can go up some stairs. What's up the stairs? Well, not a lot, but can we see from here? Nothing's. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna do very well on this. It's the moving staircases. Right, I've passed the first hurdle. And you're gonna move where you're moving me to. You're moving me to here. Right, okay. And then this. Okay, so then we go. Let me just check. I think there's one here somewhere. Is there not? I don't know. I think they're too far away. We're going to climb stairs. I want to find some scrolls, guys. We're going to find some scrolls. Right, are these stairs? No. Oh, hang on. Woo! Aha! We found a scroll. So we need 3 more scrolls. Let's go back on here. I ain't died. I'm doing well. We're doing so well. Oh my god, I nearly died, I think. Okay, so we will go back through here, and I'm guessing we need to go. I ain't got a clue. I don't know why I'm trying to even guess. I haven't got a clue, guys. Oh, scroll! 2 more scrolls. Do we win anything? Do we get an Order of Merlin for doing this? Right, so now what do I need to do? Maybe come back down these stairs. That's what I need to do. And then... I don't think there's anything else I could... No, it won't let me go any further. But if I hold this down again... Orange is the exit. So there is... Right, 2 more scrolls. I think... I need to come back out of here. So we'll just wait for this to descend for us. Come on! Ain't got all day. Thank you. Right, let me... Oh, I can't see. I need to try and get up there, but I don't know how we're going to get up there. So let's have a look while I'm on here. Now you see, you're going to take me back here, and this isn't where I need to be. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying. Let's hold that down. Right, there's 2 that side. But how do I get up there? I'm getting really brave though, I tell you that. Hang on, let me go back. The only thing I can think of is if I go back up to where I found the other scrolls, I might be... Oh, let's go back up here. I might be able to find another route. Right, so where did we go? We need to be up there. But I'm not sure. Let's go back over here. Let's have a look. Or is it over there? Hang on. Hang on. Did we already come here? No, we didn't. There's a scroll here though. Yes then. 1 more scroll to get. Oh, right, it's alright, don't panic, Suze. We're gonna end up going back. Right, and there was a scroll there, wasn't there? But I need to get... But there is nowhere to go. I'm really confuzzled. Right, we'll have to go back over there. The scroll's up there. Alright, there must be. It's alright. It's alright. Don't panic, guys. We will get this. Right, let's come back up. That's right. Controls. I'm trying to be careful because there's edges and I will fall. I don't know what happens if you fall, but I don't want to find out because I've just spent long enough trying to find these scrolls. Do you know what I mean? Right, where's this last scroll? You're there. Right, I'm on the wrong side. Let me come back out. Oh my days, this is ridiculous. It's there! Ah. That goes higher. Wait. Does it? Hang on. Yeah, it goes high. Really, really high. Please. Yeah? And you're expecting me to die. Oh, okay, I didn't die. Right, so we need to get on that ledge, I think. Right, we're going to take a running jump. We're going to quit because I'm going to get really cross and I'm going to end up swearing on camera. I'm really mad. We will try that again. You might be calling me a quitter. I did say actually not long ago that I don't quit. No, I don't want to. You can train your movement skills. Your task is to collect 4 scrolls in the room and to get the exit as fast as you can. Your training will be rewarded with coins. Is that all? Oh, right, okay, hang on. Hang on, is that what I... Hang on. Inventory, map. Where am I? I'm still in the castle corridors. I thought I'd... Ooh, I don't know where I am. Read letter. I'll read letter. The annual broom race has begun. Join now and start... No, I don't want to join a broom race today. Thank you very much. I'm trying to explore the castle. But this, yeah, that is definitely to find scrolls. I don't want to do that at the moment. So we'll go back this way. And we'll descend the stairs. Okay, it's just like Hogwarts this, isn't it, guys? Beautiful. Oh, this door is locked after all that. Wait, what spells have I got? Yeah, you gotta pay. Should we go see that portal? Should we? Right. Back through here. Open door. Back up here. And across here. And the red carpet is already laid out for me. And the portal room, I do believe, was down here. I could be wrong, because my bearings are bad, but you never know. Here we go, look. The portal teleports you to a sealed part of this castle. It is a good place to find potions and old coins. If you choose to enter and get in danger, the portal will throw you back here. Okay, well, we're going to enter. I like the sound of danger. It's an adventure. Oh! Right. Oh, God. Right, this is very grand. I do say. Right, so we're looking for potions and there will be traps. So I need to keep my eye out for those as well. So we found a blue and a red potion. Orange. It looks red. I think we did this last time I played it. Any more potions in this bit? No. So we need to go this way. Up the stairs. Let's do this! I'm excited. What? Why did it throw me back? Oh. Oh, did I die? Oh, heck. Right, we won't... Right, go. Right, we've got a swingy thing. I don't like things like this. Right, run. Whoa! We've got a blue potion. Let's enter this door. Right, there is a orange potion there, but I'm also very careful now. Is there any traps? We're going to be very careful. Is there any other colour apart from blue and orange potions? Right, let's run down here. Oh god. Right, orange potion found. Right, we're doing it! Right, there's a door here. But is there any traps? No. We're doing great. Level 3. You found 192 coins. That's really cool. Right, let's see how far I can last without being thrown back through the portal. There's a bookcase here. Not that you can do anything with it, but there is a bookcase there. It's a good way of stocking up your potions, but you didn't need to add the danger. I do like adventure though. Do you know what I mean? Oh, I've lost my way. Is it this way? Oh my god, I did that really dangerously then. Do I need to be this way? But there's nothing there. No, I don't understand why that's there when you can't even get there. There's nothing there. I don't know. Anyway, where else can I get? Did I come up these? Again, my bearings are really bad. Open door, let's see. No, level 4, guys. Level 4. Oh god. Oh god, they're surrounding me. They are oh no. Oh heck. Right, go up here. Be careful, Susie. Be very careful. Right, there's nothing up here. Why would you even do that? You could have put a potion up there. Oh, I jumped. Didn't want to jump. Right, which way did I go? I came through that way. So shall I go this way? Oh god. Run, run, run. Ah! Right, well, let's just have a look then now. Right, so let's go. We did find the training room. There is 2 more rooms to find that I cannot quite figure out. I can't figure this out. So we're currently in the portal room. Right, so we are over at the portal room in the top left. But right down here there is a big room. I'm wondering if we can get... So if we go back to the magical typewriter, we might be able... Let's go back to the magical typewriter. Let's carry on having a look. The portal was fun. Do you know, for a free game, there is a bit you can do. There is. It's all right. It's not bad. I can't remember where to go now. Where's the typewriter? Ah, I ain't got a clue. I don't know what I'm in at. Let's have a look. No, is it that way? It's this way. The magical tree's in here. I bet you. It is. It's in here. Telling you now. Oh, this way, Susie. For the love of Merlin! Yeah, see, look, we're here, look. So if I go Let me have a look at the map again. Yes, so I'm in there. So, okay, so it's just the magical tree room. So I think we've explored the castle. We can't get in there where the dining hall is because the door's locked. Is that right? I can't even remember. Summits was locked anyway. Well guys, today we have explored more of the castle. We've played a game with the scrolls, which I will be doing again. And I would like to try and get further in those dungeons again. What do you reckon? And there is some things that need unlocking as well. So I might actually come back and do this again. Because we've got to. Because I would play it, I think, now anyway. So I might as well film myself. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, the castle is quite big to explore, as you can see. The rooms are quite detailed. The graphics aren't brilliant, no, but they are detailed. Obviously, it's online. So, oh, it says like in the dining hall, there's me, Poppet, map unknown. Yeah, it's quite cool. You can see where everyone is. So it's online. I don't think you can do any more than chat to people. I want to go back outside. Do you know what? Before we go, actually, we're going to go back outside. We are going to go back outside, I think. But I don't know if I can remember how you get outside. I will figure it out. Ah, the outside. I know where the outside is. We have to get rid of this ice. Oh my days, the controls aren't brilliant. Or it's just me and I'm rubbish. I don't know. Yes, I know it's blocked with ice. I know. We need to melt the ice. I had trouble with this last time, if you remember. Right. Is it all melting? Yes, it is. Lovely. So let's go through here. Here we are, we're outside. I don't want a broom. I just want to have a look. We're going to have a look out here. Let's see if there's anything else. I wonder if the map shows us anything out here. Nope, that's just literally the castle. Okay, so I'm now having to fend for myself. Oh, it's put me back here again. Why does it keep doing this? Right, let's have a look. The graphics are really bad. Now, there is a tower over there. Ah, I got in the tower over there, but there's a key. That's right, a haunted house, because I really want to go in here. You need a key to unlock this door. How do I get the key? That's what I need to know. So we're going to have a quick look round. That's what we're going to do now before... Oh, it's a pig. I thought it was a potion. Oh dear. Follow path. Okay, this game is quite cool. We are working on new... Oh no, Alice... We are working on a new adventure game called Alice Wonderland. Do you want to try it? No, but yes, that will happen. That will happen. We are doing this, and you've put me back here, haven't you? Where am I? Yeah, that was the path. So there's no path to take then, I take it. You completely and utterly teased me there for a second. I mean, the grass is just so realistic, and the trees. Do you know what? I'm not dissing this game. It's one of them games that passes the time. Can I cross this? Turns out I can swim. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, there's a potion there. Another blue one. Have we got any other colour? This looks like we can get around here. Enter the waterfall. Discovered the dock. We're discovering some stuff today. This video, okay, today, in this video, it is not a failure, guys. It is not a failure. There's nothing on the dock apart from a chair. Absolutely nothing, which is amazing because it just ruined the excitement of finding and discovering this dock. But I did find the dock, so we can't have everything in life, I suppose. Enter the waterfall. Thank you. Right, so we've found a couple of bits here. Let's see then. Have a what's that? I really don't think I saw that before. Enter the cave. We've found a cave now. Dark forest. Oh, I'm not moving very well. Am I poorly? I'm limping. I seem to be limping. What's this? Passage to the dark forest. The key to this door lays within me. You? Solve... Oh, God. Solve the puzzle. You found a locked door leading to the dark forest. There is a note that says the key to the door lays within me. Oh, it's took me to the beginning again. Why am I limping? I'm really limping. Right, so... Yeah, I know the door's locked. Is it in you? Do I hit you? We've got another locked door. And I don't quite understand how we do this. Let's carry on looking around outside anyway. I'm limping really bad in this corridor and I really don't know why, because maybe I hurt my ankle down the waterfall, I don't know. Oh, I'm not limping now. Right, we found another orange potion. Wait, where have I just been? In there. So what's this one? Well, I didn't see any of this last time. Enter another cave. Discovered the cave. Yeah, you're going to have a locked door as well, aren't you? There is a note beside the statue. Lighten the weight on my back and I will let you in. Okay. Well, that didn't work, did it? Solve the puzzle. I reckon it's got something to do with spells, which I don't have. I'm trying. Right, so we've got another cave here that we need to solve this puzzle to get this, and then where can we go? What do you do? You're not going to tell me again, are you? Was it a key or... let you in, wasn't it? I wonder if you're going to let me in. Lies within me. I bet it's you that I need to sort out. But I need to solve the puzzle. Unfortunately, guys, I don't have a lot of time today to play like really hardcore within this game today. But it's alright just to have a look round today, and we're finding new things. But I'm going to keep going around the outside. That is the haunted house, I do believe, is it? Or is that a different house? Open door. No, this is different. Discovered the house in the forest. See, look, we're finding a lot today. Like I said, I don't have a lot of time to be going and doing missions and solving puzzles, but I'm all right to have a look round and that today. But yeah, I don't have a lot of time to properly get into puzzle solving because that could take a while, and you don't want to see that. Oh, glass floor. I don't know about that. Go to bed. I think I've done something like that before, actually. Right, let's get up. Is it me, or is that... Going to bed has changed the colour of the floor. That's really cool. Solve the puzzle, the key within. I'm assuming that's the one in the caves. So it's very nicely furnished. Like I said, I mean, the graphics aren't amazing, but it has got, obviously, some nice little decor. They've added details to it. For a free game, it's really cool. It is cool. I'm actually really loving this now. But yeah, that's it for this house. There's nothing to do in it. I'll just go near everything just to make sure and tap and... Yeah, there's nothing to do in anything. Can I use anything here? Nope. Okay, so I do believe we've gone through quite a lot of outside. We've discovered new places in the castle, new places outside. We've had to go in a portal that has obviously levels of a dungeon. That when we got to level 4 or 5, we tried getting the scrolls. I couldn't get that last one, but I would like to try and do that again and get that last one. And we found some caves well, locked doors within caves and puzzles that we need to solve, as well as obviously we still need the key for the haunted house. So can we get those? Next time I play it, I'm going to do it when I've got all day and I can sit and play this all day and have a really good go at the puzzles and things. But obviously the video will be smaller for you guys. You don't want to see a whole day's worth of me playing. But yeah, I will do that probably after my holiday now, because I've got really busy times up until my holiday. We don't go till August. I don't know when you're seeing this video, but yeah, I've got a lot to do. So I won't be able to have a full day to do this, but I will definitely do this. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you're enjoying the gaming content, I will do it a bit more. I know I've done gaming. God, I did the Harry Potter Lego series. I can remember doing that on the PlayStation, and I filmed myself doing that. And obviously now I've done a few mobile phone apps. I quite enjoy it. I am a gamer, and playing with you guys, so well, you guys can see me playing and stuff. I'm really enjoying it. So if you are enjoying it, let me know. Let me know, because there will be more coming, because it is really cool and it's quite chilling to do. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me today, guys. It's an absolute pleasure to be in your company. Absolutely love your company. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and a massive thank you to my channel members. You guys are absolutely awesome, and I will speak to you all in my next video. Bye, Potter Poppets.